Car insurance is something every driver needs, but finding the right policy can feel super overwhelming. With so many providers offering similar coverage, it can be really hard to tell what makes one better than the other. Lemonade Car Insurance takes a completely different approach by offering a tech-driven, customizable, and socially responsible insurance model that aims to make the process faster, easier, and potentially more affordable. So in today's video, I'm going to be diving deep into Lemonade Car Insurance, covering how it works, its key features, and the pros and cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's worth considering for your next policy. So first off, what is Lemonade Car Insurance? Lemonade is known for home, renters, and pet insurance, but they've recently expanded into the car insurance market with a digital-first approach. Like other products, Lemonade Car Insurance is built around AI-driven automation, flexible coverage options, and a customer-friendly claims process. Unlike traditional car insurance companies, Lemonade operates almost entirely through its mobile app, which makes it really easy to get a quote, file a claim, and manage your policy all in one place. They also offer a unique pay-per-mile pricing model. That means your rates are based partly on how much you drive. Another thing that sets Lemonade apart is their Giveback Program. A portion of unused premium funds goes to charities chosen by policyholders instead of being kept as extra profit. Now let's take a closer look at the key features that make Lemonade Car Insurance stand out. First off, like I mentioned, their usage-based pricing model. So again, it's that pay-per-mile model. Lemonade Car Insurance offers usage-based pricing, meaning your premium is calculated based on how much you actually drive. And this is great for low mileage drivers, especially, if you work from home and don't drive that much. And again, if you don't want to pay the full price for a policy, it's an extra added bonus. Through the Lemonade app, this system tracks your mileage and driving habits to adjust your rates accordingly. For example, let's just say Lemonade charges a base rate of $30 per month plus 5 cents per mile driven. If you drive 500 miles per month, your total monthly cost would be $55 a month. And to get that, we would do $30, which is the base rate, plus the 5 cents times the 500 miles, and that comes out to $55 per month. But if you only drive 100 miles per month, your cost would drop to $35 per month, making it much cheaper than a traditional fixed rate policy. This really does make Lemonade a great option for people who work from home, use public transportation frequently, or only drive on the weekends. Another cool key feature is the AI-powered claims and customer support. So Lemonade is actually known for its fast AI-driven claims process. If you're in an accident, you can file a claim directly through the app, and simple claims can be processed almost instantly. For more complex situations, Lemonade's team will manually review the claim, but the process is still faster than many traditional insurance companies. Next is the discounts for safe and low mileage drivers. Again, since Lemonade tracks driving habits and mileage, they do reward safe drivers and people who drive less with lower premiums. If you work from home, again, or don't drive daily, this could really help you save a lot compared to flat rate policies. Another key feature is their eco-friendly approach. Lemonade really does stand out for its environmentally conscious initiatives. They offer discounts for hybrid and electric vehicles, and a portion of premiums go towards sustainability efforts through their Giveback program. Another key feature is their bundled discounts with other Lemonade insurance policies. So if you already have home, renters, or pet insurance with Lemonade, you can bundle your car insurance to get a discount. This can make it even more cost effective, especially if you use multiple Lemonade policies. Next is liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage options. Lemonade offers all the standard car insurance coverage options, including liability insurance for bodily injury and property damage, collision coverage for damage to your own vehicle in an accident, comprehensive coverage for non-accident damage like theft, vandalism, and weather-related incidents, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage to protect against drivers who don't have enough insurance, as well as roadside assistance as an optional add-on. Now that we've covered the key features, let's go ahead and go over some of the pros and cons of choosing Lemonade Car Insurance. One of the biggest advantages of Lemonade Car Insurance is its flexible pay-per-mile pricing model. If you don't drive often, this could save you a significant amount compared to traditional flat rate insurance. The AI-powered claims process is another huge plus. Filing a claim through the app is super quick, and in many cases, chances you'll get a resolution much faster than traditional insurers. Lemonade's bundle discounts can also save you so much money if you're already using their renter's home or pet insurance. And if you like having all of your policies in one place, this can be a convenient and cost-effective option. For those who drive hybrid or electric vehicles, Lemonade offers eco-friendly discounts that could make your policy even more affordable. And finally, the Giveback program is a unique feature that lets part of your unused premium go towards charities instead of being pocketed as extra profit. Now moving on to the cons. So one downside is that Lemonade car insurance is not available in all states yet, so definitely need to check and see if it's offered in your area. Another potential drawback is that it relies on app-based tracking. Some drivers might not be comfortable with having their driving habits monitored through their phone, even if it does help determine pricing. Lemonade's pay-per-mile pricing works best for low-mileage drivers, but if you drive a lot, you may not see much savings compared to traditional insurance. And lastly, Lemonade doesn't currently offer commercial or rideshare coverage, so if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or a delivery service, you'll definitely need to look elsewhere for coverage. So now let's talk a little bit about pricing. So like I said, Lemonade's car insurance pricing varies depending on factors like your driving habits, your vehicle type, location, and coverage options. Since they use a pay-per-mile model, costs are lower for drivers who don't drive often, while frequent drivers may see prices closer to traditional insurance rates. But let's break down an example just so you can get an idea. So let's say a driver in California owns a 2020 Toyota Corolla and opts for basic liability coverage with Lemonade car insurance. Their pricing might look like this. So potentially the base rate could be $35 per month. The per mile rate could be 6 cents per mile. So if they drive 200 miles per month, their total cost would be the 200 miles times the 6 cents plus the $35 per month. And that would bring it to $47 per month. Although if they drive 1,000 miles per month, their total cost would be that 1,000 miles times the 6 cents plus the $35 monthly rate, which would bring it to $95 per month. This structure, again, benefits drivers who don't drive daily, as they'll pay significantly less compared to a standard fixed rate insurance plan. But for the most accurate pricing, you'll definitely want to get yourself a quote because it is based on your car, the year of your car, your location, etc. So if you're wanting to check them out and get a quote for yourself, I've left that link in the description for you. Personally, I think Lemonade car insurance is a solid choice if you don't drive much and want an easy app-based experience. Since I personally work from home and I don't put a ton of miles on my car, the pay-per-mile pricing makes a lot of sense for me. But again, if you're driving in the office every day and travel a ton in your car and are driving around constantly, it probably isn't the best fit for you. But for me, I also am more of a tech-savvy individual and I like the app features as well. It's very intuitive and it's very easy to use, which is really, really important for me. The eco-friendly perks in Giveback program are also just a really nice added bonus. But again, like I said, if you drive a ton and need commercial coverage, it's definitely not the best fit for you. And again, if you want to ensure you get the best price possible, make sure you use our link down in the description below. That wraps up this review of Lemonade car insurance. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how your experience was. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about insurance. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.